Good morning, friends. This is CA Sharup Ghosh from Stock Uh, I was actually, waiting for certain things to happen, and during the last 3 4 months, I'm busy in doing certain other projects, and at the same time, I am in the market for a lot many things, lot many developments, lot many research work that is being done. So I am not able to publish regular videos, but this video I think it is very important, so I should bring it for my students and followers, and it's a very short video. Before I jump into these videos, as usual, we are already selling the indicators on rain, so you can always use the indicators which I will be showing you here, and you can contact me for that. So let's get into the mainstream. So this is Nifty, and this is monthly chart. People are so worried what is happening and why it will stop and all those. So we'll start off with a monthly chart. This is a monthly chart of Nifty, which is really a very important thing to do. What do you see in this monthly chart? I am seeing something. Your eyes should also be trained like that. This is the first time we have 3 consecutive red candles in Nifty. This is the month. We have half month left, or maybe last 7 to 10 days left. 1 2 3 3 consecutive red candles. When have you found these 3 red candle consecutive? That's when in the COVID period. 1 2 3. Then we if you go back, you cannot find any consecutive 3 red candle until you go to 2008, where you have consecutive 3 red candle, and then it went to the Saudis, and blah blah blah, you can see. So therefore, Nifty, if it closes with red, then it's a very big recession signal. I am not saying, this is the history I am basically presenting to you. So let's now look at one or two indicators that I normally use and our students use, which is taking on rent, and then this is used for different types of trading. Let's go to this indicator. This is basically the indicator which is purely based on GAN levels, and these are these are all automatic GAN levels. Okay, if you go to the weekly chart, automatically it will change. So I will come to this. So we are in the monthly chart right now, and the automatic GAN level says, once the principle of GAN is, once a big level is broken, that is the red line broken, it will move to the next level. If this line is broken, it will move to the next level, that is blue. If this is broken, then it will be again, there is a level here, and then ultimately it will reach here. So this is a process of GAN. Okay, and what we are also seeing it here. If you look, let me maximize. So from the all-time high level, where we actually generated a signal, the automatic signal. Now you have a green cross. What is this green cross means? That is, now you have to exit your buying position. So we have 2 confirmation, 1 2 3 3 consecutive red candles. So after this month is over, we have to take a call about our investment, and this is already an exit signal that has been generated, and now it is hinting towards this. Okay, this is the GAN principle. Now let's also look at our Cobra principles. Now this is not a clumsy chart. Because it is a monthly chart. What we are seeing here is, already the Cobra was broken last month. This is a signal which has been generated. Now this is a caution signal that now I am going to go down. That is in the month of December. It has already given a signal, and then this is a confirmation signal. Along with that, it has also generated a black down arrow, and these are the levels. What are these levels? These are the levels automatically calculated based on different kind of principles. So first of all, देखते हैं कि let us see, once the price goes below Cobra line, that is itself is dangerous. Then this is the danger sign. So 1 2 already we have seen. Then this is the third signal, price is below. Fourth signal is, it has actually broken GAN line. Now let us see in the past when this kind of black signal generated, how the market behaved. It is already in front of you. This has happened in February 2020. Okay, so it will be very beautifully visible. February 2020. If you look at this, now this after this signal, what has happened in the next month? Okay, after this blue signal happened, what has happened in the in the past, that now it has blasted price. This is the area, where it crosses, price crosses Kobler line, and then it followed. There are a lot of principles, so I'm not getting into this. So all I'm hinting at is what has happened in the past. Now you have to use your own trading signal to really execute a trade. So for me now, the most important part for Nifty is to really sustain the this is ATL line which has been broken. So Nifty for surely it is moving towards 13,953 or 14,000 level. Okay, unless of course the only condition is that Nifty should be closing in red, and if it does not close in red, that means this hypothesis would be invalid. Okay, we will be able to test it next month. Okay, now let's move to the weekly chart. So monthly chart has given, that is the bigger time frame, has given a wrong signal, down signal. What is the monthly chart is saying? If you look at the monthly chart here, your weekly chart, now it has already broken the what? It has already broken the long-term grand signal, and then it is also supplemented by a down arrow here. These are special arrows. Whenever these kind of arrows come, it's a deadly deadly things happen in the market. And Nifty is actually in this area of 123 square root. So square is basically these are very important lines. In the past also it worked. Okay, so weekly, monthly, weekly, week. Let us go to the daily part. Now if you look at daily chart, now in the daily chart what happened? Daily, it has already again it has given you a signal, okay, that in daily also yesterday it generated a down arrow signal day before yesterday. So therefore all these things are complete. All signals are completed. Now here also you get on daily chart below Cobra, and you have a down arrow signal here, and now it has already such a sharp decline. These levels are all automatic level. I don't do anything manually. So these are all automatic levels, and I am not bothered whether the Nifty is bullish or bearish. I only work on levels. So if my levels break, for example, if this level is broken here, then I will wait for 15,129. If that is broken, then I will go for 13,953. So these are all basically value that is available for us. So if you want to be a part of this kind of trading system, you can always contact me at 91430 and use these these products on rental basis. This is a quarterly basis rent. So all those things can be done. So friends, that's all from my side right now. So I will again come back to you after the month end to really guide you what needs to be done in the market. Thank you very much. This is CS Swarup Ghosh from Stock Deck. Bye bye for now.